journal that I've made, and this one is Dragonfly Dreams, and it's a digital kit from ARTYmaze, and I will link that below. It's in a traveller's notebook size, which is 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. There are 68 pages in this one, and then I've done the tag and pocket on the front cover, and I've used this image from the kit, and it's actually opened at the top as well, so you can tuck things inside there too. I just done a little bit of collage in here and put the word dreams on there, eyelet and string as a closure. That is the cardstock that I used, and I've sewn that onto some white cardstock, so it's a nice thick cover. And this will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and the link will be below, and there is a 10% off, and the discount code will be below as well. So this is the first page, and we have a pocket here, and I've just made some tags, done some stenciling, tag from the kit sewn onto some coffee or tea dyed paper, I can't remember which one, and a journal card, again that's been sewn onto tea or coffee dyed paper, piece of ephemera, that's from Tsunami Rose. We have an Edith Holden page here, some digital music paper, we have a Dragonfly postcard from ARTYmaze's kit, and a journal card there that I made. Some lined paper, plenty of journaling space in all my journals. This is a flip out page here. We have an envelope from the kit, nothing in it, and a piece of ephemera, and that just obviously flips out, that paper clips on. We have a doily and another one of these nice kind of glassine brown paper bags. I'd like to get hold of some of them. Some edge punching. I've made an envelope window pocket here, and I've done some collaging there with a little bit of fabric here and some bling. And there is obviously if you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's like a double pocket there. So we have this journaling card here, some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, a tag from the kit, and a big journaling card there. Another page from the kit, and here that's a flip out and postcard, and then some additional journaling space. Some Edith Holden, some more digital music paper. We have another postcard, a large tag. Centre of the signature. Another window pocket, only I've used it round the other way. And I've just got some fabrics here and some eyelash trim and then some bling. And we have another journal card from the kit. Some ephemera. Another tag. And a large journaling card that I made. I've just stapled that so that it's a pocket, a little tuck. We have an envelope here with the journal card inside it. Some ephemera and another big journal card. It's such a lovely day here today, so I'm kind of packing up early. I'm gonna clean my garden a little bit. It's 2 o'clock and it kind of feels like spring, and it's hard to believe because it's February. This time last year we had snow. Pocket here. Yeah, weather's really freaky at the moment. But it's so nice to have the doors and the windows opened. Another journaling card. I know some places in America are still getting snow, how awful. We're to have a really warm weekend as well. They reckon it could get up to like 19 Is it 19 Celsius? Not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but I know it's warm. Oops, done all that wrong. Envelope, sorry, too busy thinking about the weather. And that just paper clips on. Another Edith Holden, another flip out here with a Dragonfly postcard, and then some, I love the colouring of that on that side. Another just flip out there for additional journaling. And that is the journal. So like I said, I'll put the links below. This is from ARTYmaze, the kit. My shop link will be below, as will the 10% discount, and hopefully tomorrow I will be sharing a Jane Austen Traveller's Notebook with you. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.